Fluidnatek by Bioinicia and Nanoscience Instruments proudly introduced the new Fluidnatek LE-100, a system specifically designed for stent coating and biomedical implant manufacturing. An important application for medical-grade electrospun fibers is stent coating. The LE-100 can process one or more materials at once to achieve a desired coating thickness in one step. Whether you need to coat a single stent or multiple, the LE-100 can meet your precise specifications. A key aspect for stable process during sample development is tightly controlled environmental parameters. Our environmental control unit provides precision control of temperature and relative humidity, along with the airflow in the chamber to obtain batch-to-batch reproducibility. We focus on designing instruments that can be certified for GMP, ISO 13485 for medical devices, and other similar standards. We offer batch control, audit trail, and comprehensive data logging to comply with the relevant regulations. By implementing HEPA filters, we can achieve a clean environment at ISO 7 or ISO 5 conditions according to your application needs. Since electrospinning is a room temperature process, it allows the encapsulation of thermally sensitive API and bioactive materials. The LE-100 provides control over surface area to properly biomimic different tissue structures and even control their porosity. By globally controlling all electrospinning parameters, this system can develop samples with efficient and consistent drug release. These samples can provide excellent tissue integration or semi-permeable barrier performance according to their design and application needs. The LE-100 can coat up to 15 stents per minute, maximizing sample production and minimizing development time. A quick coupling and release holder further improves process efficiency. With the LE-100, rest assured that you will have batch-to-batch consistency in your electrospun product, as shown in this example. The LE-100 can also be used to generate vascular grafts and nerve guide conduits with different dimensions according to your application needs. Fabricating a sample through electrospinning offers the ability to mimic the extracellular matrix of a native tissue. We can control fiber size, orientation, and porosity with ease. By carefully tuning these parameters, it allows us to generate biomimetic electrospun scaffolds, on which a patient's cells can grow and proliferate. These scaffolds support enhanced recovery as the body helps heal itself. Asymmetrical 3D electrospun samples can also be generated or coated with the LE-100 technology. Processing multiple materials with independent voltages is possible with this system, allowing for precisely enhanced properties in samples as needed. The LE-100 allows you to use this accessory with a rotating platform or roll-to-roll collector. A unique accessory we offer is a metrology system for measuring sample thickness. The metrology system tracks fiber deposition and displays values in real time on the unit's touchscreen panel, and enables a triggered process to stop sample development once your target thickness is achieved. We always offer process development advice, proof of concept, and on-site training when an instrument is acquired by a customer. To maintain GMP compliance, our service department offers installation, operation, and performance qualification, along with service and support after the instrument has been installed. Whether your application needs rely on electrospinning or electrospraying sample development, the Fluidnatek LE-100 is the ideal tool for stent coating and other electrospun biomedical implant manufacturing products under GMP, ISO 13485, and eventual FDA approval, as it globally controls all processing parameters to obtain consistent and reproducible results. Fluidnatek by Bioinicia and Nanoscience Instruments, offering you a unique opportunity for your biomedical and pharmaceutical application needs. Electrospinning with the Fluidnatek. The future of emerging applications is in your hands.